To all the people who have been my pillars through this time, I thank you. To my old friends and new friends who have showed up, kept me laughing, showered me with silly anecdotes, and brought me back from low moments with love. To friends from California who sent me cake on my birthday. To a friend who showed up on my doorstep and took me around the world with gifts and her creativity. To family members who fought to return home from abroad. My dad trying to remain positive. If you have made me smile, you have helped me, and you are the true MVPs in my life. We clap for heroes, yet we rarely thank ourselves. And a little bit of love goes a long way.